DUTCHHERETIC Taffy. With your A of AliExpress Echo microphone. Let me see how far in the alphabet I have to go before I get to reaction of your sorry arse. Chapter 2. We already had the A of this shitty AliExpress Echo microphone you use. I can do the B and C in one subject in this video. The B of blocking, and of bully no balls. And the C, of the coward you are to block everyone that criticizes your comments. You have blocked everybody that does not agree with your insane ideas about the lunar landings. And I guess that must be quite a lot. Then a few days ago I watched a video of Mr. Sensible about this idiot flurf, Adam, who calls himself Level Earth Observer. If you don't understand the context, all the links to Mr. Sensible will be in the description box below.
I shouldn't have to explain this, but I got called a liar, a cheat, a fraud. People double down on the lies and then misrepresenting my claims.
Please show me, Adam, where in my video I called you a liar, a cheat, a fraud, or misrepresented any claims. Actually, that's exactly what you have done, because in your response video you were talking about the tower leaning, but in the original video you weren't. As for cheating, how about the fact that you have me blocked so I can't respond to any of the comments on your channel? How about the fact you call me Captain Sensible and don't give a link to either my channel or the video, so people would be looking for the wrong name? I'd call that dishonest, underhand, cheating, straw manning, being a general arse.
It's leaning back slightly. I'll wonder why, so it can take a weight better in front of it. It's from engineering purposes, just like the bridge, just like the crane. We've destroyed Captain Sensible, the globe arguments regarding bridges, and the globe in general. Not difficult, another easy day. Smashing the pantomime that is the globe. Have a good one.
Adam, this is the final time I'm going to explain this to you. I'm going to adjust this explanation to your level of dumb.
Mr. Sensible flexing his fingers. Go watch the video on his channel and subscribe. The links are all down here, and also in the end credits. As stupid as Level Earth Observer is, his insults are very poor. I kinda like Captain Sensible. The name shows authority. Your insults are much better, aren't they? I have some invented especially for you and even made up a new word, dulliot, not shiny plus idiot, in one word that fits you better than brilliant, which you are absolutely not. I also heard someone call you Billy, no balls. Blocking your critics is such a cowardly deed, that it really fits your real name, William, Billy no balls, Swithin. You must be really scared of me, a 14-year-old 2D anime girl, and you will probably want to call me fake and hiding behind a drawing. Being a VTuber does not make me fake, and my name is real also. If you have the guts, find me on Twitter, or are you too stupid to know what that is? Or perhaps you are already banned there? That would not surprise me at all. You can find me at ivkunisida in Twitter, and even mail me ivy.kunisida@gmail.com. And remember, I will use anything you write against you. But if you write in a friendly tone, I will also mention that. I will not like to make you look even worse than you already are. So this was it for today. Next week we will move to the letter D and what more in that order we can find. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to Mr. Sensible's channel for more debunking stuff. And I will see you next time. Hi, I am Ivy and this here is my own channel. Ned and I put a lot of work in our videos, and would really like to see our channel become bigger. So please, hit that like and subscribe buttons and ring that notification bell. We are not monetized, so get nothing from YouTube, but if you want to help us, please consider to help us at www.patreon.com/DUTCHHERETIC. We want to do more, with better animations and shit. Your help will be very much appreciated.